And tubers, hello. I got an '05 BMW X5 3.0 non-started situation. Old style ignition switch torn, and it's not cranking. It's not cranking. They chug the starter. The starter is okay. I get a code from the EWS. The code is 12, and it says key 2, incorrect random code. Okay, so what it means is that the chip inside the key failed to produce the random code. You can go to data and confirm that. First of all, a few things. Starter enabled. No, it's disabled, so it's no. And then it's no, it's not blocked because of all those things. No, it's not. And then it says three things. Key identification, okay. Password, okay. And this is the last thing that should be okay, but it's not. This is key random code. Alright, I'm going to do this. I'm going to turn the ignition off. Okay, pull it out. Okay. Now, this is a no key situation. Not okay, not okay, not okay. Now, I put the key back in. 1 okay. 2 okay. And there should be 3 okay. But it fails to do that. It fails to produce the random code. And because of that, although it sees that it's a key number 2, right? And the code is the key number 2 is not producing the right random code. That was the code. Okay, so all in all, I think it needs a new key, and that new key needs to be programmed into the EWS, and then the EWS has to be synchronized with the GME module, and it's all done this way. Okay, so if you like it, subscribe and tell your friend. Thank you.